Okay, this is Pacha and Auntie Raj. Say hi, Auntie Raj. Hi. And we're going down the treat aisle at PetSmart. Looking for anything good.
Lots of stuff here.
Yes, lots of stuff. What do you see, Pacha? What do you see, Pacha? What do you see? Well,
So excited.
I know. Well, we gotta sniff. Oh, I gotta back up. We gotta sniff everything. Whoa, sorry, baby. All right, there you go. Wait. We need to go forward. Forward. The dingoes are down this way. I know that's what you want. Dingoes are down this way. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. We'll stop. Okay. Sniff. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Dingoes?
Yes, that's what we like to sniff. There we go. Okay. There's your, look, where are you? There you go. Where's your dingoes? Where's your dingoes? What's this? Pacha? What's that? Is that dingo? Oh, is that a dingo? Okay. All right. You're not being very interesting, so I'm going to stop filming you. Okay.